Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Epic Games login error and how you can fix this error. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about you have to go over here in the search, type run over here, and you have to click on the run. And you'll be getting a box like this where you have to type %local app data, or what you need to do is you can press Windows and R key altogether, so that will also bring the run box over here like this. And you have to type %local app data %. Now go for OK, that will take you to this particular folder, and if you scroll down you can see you'll be having both the folder for Epic Games and the Epic Games launcher. So what you need to do is to select this one, right click and go for the trash, and over here as well for the Epic Games launcher go for the trash as well. So once both these things are run, so it is getting a message like it is saying it is already running in the background. So what you need to do is, if that is the case, just go over here and we have to go over here and search for the task manager, or you have to click on this one. And what you need to do is, as you can see, if the Epic Games is running in the background, you cannot delete the launcher. So what you need to do is, as you can see, the Epic Games launcher is running. So the second step is all about make sure no things is running regarding the Epic Games launcher over here in the background. We can search over here for the Epic Games like this, or you can directly go over here and go for the end the task and remove the Epic Games launcher. And once afterwards, go back to the same folder and right click and go for the trash icon. And right now it is successfully deleted. So once it is deleted and everything is removed from the task manager, you have to check. Still, if there is an issue, what we need to do is just go over here, search for the control panel over here, and you have to click on this one. Right now click on the programs and click on the programs and features. And right now, as you can see, there are a lot of programs which is over here. And from here you have to go to the Epic Games launcher, right click over here, there is an option called repair, click on this one. So what happens is this is going to cross check whether you are going through any kind of corrupted issue with the files of Epic Games launcher, or if that is the case, most probably they're going to fix all these kind of issue and we'll be having a fresh start for the Epic Games launcher. So once it's successfully done, what you need to do is the Epic Games launcher will be opening on a system and you have to check whether you are going through any kind of issue or not. So still, if you're having trouble with the Epic Games launcher, what you need to do is we just need to go over here. You have to select the Epic Games launcher on the desktop, right click on the Epic Games launcher, go to show more options, go to the properties, go to compatibility, click on disable flip screen optimization and click on to run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK, and you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to add or remove the Epic Games launcher. So just go over here, search for add or remove over here in the programs, and you have to click on this one. Right now go over here, search for the Epic Games launcher as well. So right now you can see the Epic Games launcher is here. Just click on this three-dot menu and go for the uninstall, and once afterwards you have to reinstall back and you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix the Epic Games launcher is not working, and most probably after trying this, the Epic Games launcher will be working fine on a system like this and will not be having any kind of issue with the Epic Games launcher. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon next video. Bye.